Are cooler apps for smartphones really effective? Stay with me to find out. Is it logical to expect an application be effective as a cooler gadget? Absolutely not, but unfortunately there are tons of these apps everywhere. Do not install any kind of these apps. They may even use more RAM and make your phone hotter. Also, don't install any memory or battery optimizer apps. Even these websites don't tell you the truth. The pre-installed optimizer apps know your device better. Your operation system is safe and more effective. Buy a real cooler for your phone if you use your phone for heavy tasks like editing and gaming. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.